So what do you do if you have a cat who isn't thrilled about getting dressed up for Halloween, but you want them to have a cute outfit? Well, I found the solution. So you just need two things. You need the costume and you need this thing called Delectables. They love it. Check it out.
He did the Monster Mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did the Monster Mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abodes to get a jolt from my electrode.
They did the mash.
They did the Monster Mash.
The Monster Mash.
It was a graveyard
They
smash.
did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
They did the mash.
They did the Monster Mash. The zombies were